Happy Memorial Day from Junesport. Thank you to all those that have served and have paid the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom. Today on Showcase, we have a 30-foot fifth wheel with a custom slide here on the driver's side. We've got a fully decked out trailer with a fireplace below and a beautiful one-piece Corian countertop here with a single basin sink here in the kitchen. This Furrion fireplace pushes out heat. Can also change colors depending upon the mood you're in. We've got a cargo camera here so you can watch your load as you travel down the road. Overhead cabinet here above it. Above the kitchen here you got one with a shelf. Your entertainment centers here, so TV on the wall, easily visible throughout. Your microwave, this is a convection oven microwave oven. You've got a 3-burner cooktop with oven here below. Full depth drawers. Lots of storage in this base cabinet here. You got a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge freezer. Plenty of room in there for your food. Your pots and pans drawer. And then you have a pantry here with pull-out shelves, making it easier to get stuff that are loaded in the back. So this trailer here does have upgraded puck lights. This overhead cabinet here is mounted to the ceiling, so you can pull a side-by-side clear under it. Got some Euro recliners with a bigger bay window here. This is a 4x3 window. In the rear, we've got a room divider curtain rod, so you can divide this rear end here if you had guests sleeping. These 3-season patio doors are always a nice feature, premium option on our builds. You've got a rear awning here with a light built into it. This patio fencing is nice to create some outdoor space here. You can exit through this gate. So the rear end here has a queen bed above, opposing sofas below, plus your chairs for lounging. We've got 16 feet of overall cargo length. Behind this door are your hidden controls. So you got your generator, your AC, your water heater, furnace, tank monitors, and your heaters for your tanks. All hidden behind this door. How slick is that? Coming up the steps, you're going to see your bathroom here. So you got your neo-angle 34x34 shower. A nice porcelain toilet here. Lots of space in this deluxe shower. You've got a single basin undermount sink here in the bathroom as well. Some storage over here. So you got an added linen closet for your towels and toiletries. Now let's show you this bedroom. So you got another slider door to the bedroom. Nice space saver. You got your queen bed here in the center. You've got wardrobe closets that hang on each end. This added shelf here, so you can set things down up there. And underneath this bed, we've got lots and lots of power. So we've got two 300 amp hour lithium batteries, a 3000 watt inverter that you turn on and off right there, solar controller. This thing is decked out. You've got an added bedroom linen closet here. So a closet with some shelves and still lots of room to walk around at the foot of the bed here. Day-night shades are a plus. The monitor, so you can see all around your trailer. You got ramp door, side markers, and then your cargo so that you can see your toys driving down the road. Now that's slick. We offer a variety of tie-down options. This one here has L tracking that stretches the length of the cargo, along with some D-ring tie-downs as well. White fiberglass on the outside. We've got a Gen Y pin box here up front. Two 30-pound bottles in the front nose here. It's got a 4,000 watt generator because it's got a 15,000 BTU AC that's ducted. Exterior storage is always a plus, and we've got a lot on this trailer here. We've got a barbecue grill connect here. Upgraded steps, those are torque lift steps. We've got a 21-foot awning stretching all the way down the side of this trailer. We've got a couple of floodlights here on the outside. They're 1,000 lumen floodlights. This trailer here is equipped with Bigfoot self-leveling jacks, upgraded suspension. You've got a ramp door patio kit here on the rear end, 2 awnings, a pair of 1,000 lumen floodlights above the ramp door as well, a ladder on the outside, a 40-gallon fuel pump station. It also feeds the generator, and our Solar Elite package here. This is 1,200 watts of solar. This trailer's got plenty of power. So our kitchen slide with the awning topper, they all come with. We've got a hot and cold spray port over here. You hook your garden hose to. 100 gallons of fresh, 50 gray and 50 black. Another shot of your pass-through storage. Negative and positive connectors for a compressor. Your Tornado rotary tank rinser for your black tank. This trailer is equipped with tire link for your TPMS sensors in your wheels, your self-leveling controls, and your 2 battery cutoff switches here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video in your weekend with your family and friends. Thank you all for watching. Contact us anytime with questions. We're always happy to help. Have a great day.